We've got a beautiful scoreboard coming to London. OES Scoreboards. They do such a great job. It's a London-based company. And OES Scoreboards will be looking after a new scoreboard as part of the renovations at Budweiser Gardens.
Great that you can have a local company doing that high-tech work.
We are thrilled about the scoreboard upgrade coming to Budweiser Gardens. It will feature cutting-edge, high-definition displays and interactive features designed to engage fans like never before. By investing in this upgrade, we aim to create a more dynamic and entertaining atmosphere. This initiative reflects our commitment to staying at the forefront of arena innovation, ensuring that Budweiser Gardens remains a place where unforgettable memories are made.
All of us at OES are both honored and thrilled to extend our long-standing relationship with Budweiser Gardens by unveiling the new high-definition LED center-hung scoreboard. Being involved with this iconic venue offers us a great opportunity to demonstrate our cutting-edge technology and commitment to enhancing the fan experience within our own community.